Hello everybody, today is 17th of December, it's 8 days to go and I'm going to open box with number 17 on it today from this Jenny's Countdown to Christmas big box. I was thinking to do some recap of what I had already so far, but I changed my mind. I think I will do it on Christmas Day, when I will have the big opening of the last box. So for now, please like and subscribe, and let's have a look at what we have in box number 17. There it is. Oh, not much left. Let's have a look. Comes out really quick. Easy. What's this? String lights, LED. Oh, that's gonna make it all nice and Christmassy. What does it need? 2 AA batteries. I'm gonna get some. Lovely. This is gonna be great for my little studio. Alright. How many boxes have we got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8? Just like I said. I'll let you know. But today my math was alright. Usually it's not. Okay guys, I will see you tomorrow when we open box number 18. See you, bye!